recently completed a 2-story implant office for an automotive parts manufacturer in Clinton, Tennessee. This project was delivered through Rob Allen with Warehouse Optimizers.
When they first called me, I came out and we talked about expanding the stick build office they have now with Modular to make it bigger. But that turned into taking up too much space. So we found a place to build a building there and make it 2-story to double the square footage. Company colors are kind of a royal blue, and Vanderbilt happens to have a royal blue, standard color for their stairways, and the building's a white color, so it really looks good, looks clean. One thing that we did do on the stairway that we were able to do is the switchback stair, and that enabled us to keep the footprint of the overall building small enough to where it would fit in the limited space that we had. There are some truck drivers that will come to this office to hand paperwork in or pick paperwork up rather than using our normal steel doors. We did wait a little while to get some custom Dutch doors. The truck drivers weren't coming in and out of the office to hand off paper or pick up paperwork. So that's working out really nice. The installation went really well. As far as working with Vanderbilt on this project, it went really smooth. Always loved working with them, and the project went really smooth.
Special thanks to Rob Allen and Warehouse Optimizers for the excellent photo and ensuring the success of another project. Call us today for your free quote.